We're Urban from Bell Dartmouth, and we're here today to present you our business proposal called Weekend. A smart backpack protects your essential and power your day. But before we start, I'd like to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Marina Ramos Cabrales, and I contributed for step one, and I'm with my
Good morning everyone, I am Justine Caban and I contributed in the subject matter.
Hi everyone, I'm Panganto Kawi Vincent and I contributed the Basmat one.
I'm Ruben Valentin and I contributed to the subject plastic.
I'm Oliver Axel and I contributed basketball.
I'm Maureen Barnetta and I did the ethics part. Hi, my name is Rosalie Bonilla and I also contributed VCAT.
VTech is a smart backpack designed for students and professionals. It combines safety, convenience, and technology in one product. As an entrepreneur, we apply a growth mindset. We're open to apply AI tools for our marketing, content creation, and business planning. Even though AI constantly changes, and can be challenging, we see it as an opportunity instead of threats. For our action part, we all continuously learn and practice using AI tools. For part 2, we also understand that starting a business can be stressful, especially when borrowing money for startup capital and the pressure to repay loans on time. There is also a fear of failure if sales do not meet expectations. During the early months of operations, these actions, anxiety, and pressure to manage stress, we monitor sales expenses weekly, manage our time properly, and focus on solutions instead of problems. This mindset helps us stay adaptable and resilient.
To improve our business strategy, we study successful companies like Nike, Xiaomi, and Shopee. Our visibility analysis for VTech, affordable AI chatbots, automate customer inquiries, and improve our response time. Inventory tools monitor stock sales to avoid shortage and overstocking. Our sales analytics track a customer behavior and support a trend for the vendor decision. And these companies use AI for recommendation, inventory system, and marketing and service for customers. From them, we learned that the technology increases efficiency to improve customer experience and helps business to grow faster.
For VTech, we selected affordable and practical AI tools. We will use AI chatbots for customer service, inventory monitoring systems, and sales analytics dashboards. We will also integrate digital payments like GCash and PayBank to make our transaction easier. These tools will reduce manual work, improve response time, and help us make better business decisions.
So we practice ethical integration by clearly informing customers when they are interacting with AI chatbots to keeping their data confidential. But complex concerns are handled by human representative to ensure quality services. We also use sales and inventory data responsibly to promote fairness and prevent financial risk. Through honesty and transparency, we aim to build trust and long-term success.
So first, why would we implement these AI tools in our business? Like AI chatbots, sales analytics, dashboards, or even digital payment. These tools helps us improve efficiency and reduce workload and increase sales. Our AI tools cost 3,800 per month or 45,600 per year. Our funding sources includes 50,000 from our business loans coming from our bank, API. And we researched that the average business loan is 7% to 7.5% interest. So making the total payable 21,750. It will be paid in 12 months for 5 years. This loan will cover our AI subscriptions, marketing expenses, and emergency funds.
We compare different banks and choose Bank of the Philippines because of its lower interest rate. Lower interest rate means lower payment and better cash flow for our business. To manage risks, we will monitor sales weekly, adjust marketing strategies if sales are low, and reduce unnecessary expenses. These costs we can retain the loan responsibly.
Next, you can see our comparison table for the banks. You can see 3 banks that we compared. First is we're going to point out their interest rate per year. We can notice that BPI has the lowest interest percent per year of 7.5 with a difference of 1 to 2% compared to the 2 other banks. The loan term is, they all start at 1 year. The minimum loans is, they all hover from 30,000 to 20,000 pesos minimum loan. Since we are a sole proprietorship business and our loan will be a personal loan, the collateral is not required because our loan is below 2 million pesos. Basic requirements, they all have almost the same requirements. You have to be at least 21 years old, you're a Philippine citizen, you have a stable source of income, and a valid ID. The processing of video has the